Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Today I will be unboxing the iPhone 13, giving you my first impressions on it after using it for a couple of hours. The iPhone 13 is the latest model in Apple's lineup, and I am fortunate enough to have pre-ordered and have gotten it on launch day. This new iPhone boasts a couple of nice color finishes and a new camera design. The Pro models also add a couple of extra features like the ProMotion display and the macro cameras. I am unboxing the iPhone 13 in blue, and I'm really digging this blue color. Unboxing the iPhone is a bit of a struggle for me as I try to unbox it right away before tearing the paper tab. This year, Apple has gone environmentally friendly with the iPhone packaging, eliminating the plastic wrap in favor of a paper tab, which is a nice touch for the environment. In the box, you also get standard Apple accessories. It comes with a Lightning to USB-C cable, but no brick, so it defeats the purpose of being environmentally friendly, and I'm left with a useless cable. Apple, please switch to USB-C. It also comes with one Apple sticker and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's look at this real star of the show, the iPhone itself. Please take a moment to appreciate the pristine iPhone finish before I cover it with my fingerprints. Now is the moment you've all been waiting for, the peeling of the iPhone screen cover. With that out of the way, let's talk about the iPhone's new features. The iPhone 13 is pretty much the same as the iPhones we all know and love. It fundamentally is the same as the iPhone 12 and the iPhones preceding it. Apple has really played it safe and has the flat sides and glass sandwich, just like the iPhone 12. And that's not to say that it's bad. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It also feels nice in the hand and is well built. Speaking of which, it now has the ceramic shield, which should be more durable for daily use, but I'm still going to cover it with a screen protector and a case to ensure it's protected. The only significant visual difference of the iPhone is the new camera module design, which is now diagonal instead of being vertical. In addition to the change in look, this new design is actually practically designed to have a larger sensor for the ultra-wide camera, and later on in this video I'll be showing some test images with the new camera. This new ultra-wide camera is better for night as it captures 47% more light and the photos appear really crisp. It also does come in some sweet color choices to make everyone know you have a new iPhone. It comes in the new finishes of pink, blue, starlight, which is a bit like white, midnight, which is quite dark, and product red. I love the blue finish, and unlike the other iPhones, it is a nice, bright and saturated blue. Another visual difference with the new iPhone 13 is the notch. It is now 20% smaller. It is marginally noticeable with the earpiece moved up to the top, but apart from that small aesthetic change, it doesn't add any extra utility that maximizes the tiny bit of screen real estate gained. You cannot add any extra information to the top of your screen. With mainstream phones having hole-punch cameras and even implementing second-gen under-display cameras like with the Z Fold 3, I would like to see Apple jump on to some of these innovations soon. However, I think that's just something we'll have to wait for future iPhones like the iPhone 14. Aside from the visual differences, there are some great incremental upgrades to this iPhone. This iPhone features the A15 Bionic. This boosts speed, camera performance and augmented reality. It feels fast and snappy as ever, and I'm sure that it will hold up very well in years to come. With 3 to 4 year old iPhones still being fast and snappy, I don't really see this as being much of a selling point. The Super Retina XDR display is now 28% brighter, so it's great for use in sunlight. This model does lack ProMotion, and if you really want it, you'll have to get the Pro models. ProMotion makes the screen feel more responsive and feel buttery smooth by refreshing twice as much a second compared to normal displays, which are 60Hz. However, 60Hz is fine if you have not tried the 120Hz display before. A great feature of the new iPhones is the up to 2.5 hours more battery life, so your iPhone can last all day. All of these features add up to a really highly refined and polished user experience that's expected with the iPhone. It's a great go-to iPhone for the majority of iPhone users who just want the latest iPhone that works and doesn't break your wallet. It fundamentally is the same compared to the last iPhone, but that is not for who it is for. This is not the phone for those tech heads who really care about bleeding edge tech and nitpick every fine detail with last year's iPhone and its competitors. This iPhone is for those people who haven't switched in a couple of years and just want a great iPhone. For those people, it is a massive change. Personally, the biggest feature with the new iPhone is definitely the camera upgrades. When I first tried out the camera, I was amazed by its photographic quality. It may be different for someone with an iPhone 10 or 11, but coming from an iPhone 7, I was stunned, and it can can even rival mirrorless cameras like my Fuji X-H1. The photos are beautiful, and I had the chance to ditch online high school and try out some shots around my house and the city when I went to pick up the case for it, and I am very impressed. The photos really speak for themselves. In terms of the camera features, there are now photographic styles which create a personal look to all of your photos by doing adjustments while keeping skin tones neutral. This is a great feature which really personalizes your images. The True Depth camera system is also pretty cool for selfies. Beside all of these technical jargon terms which nobody cares about, the photos are really great. The video side of things is also phenomenal. It is crisp and even rivals my camera in some aspect. I think it is great for vlogs and documenting your life in utmost detail. In terms of cinematic mode, I have mixed feelings on it. It seems quite interesting, but when have you ever tried to take proper cinematic videos on your iPhone? I think it is gimmicky and doesn't really bring much value apart from the one time that you use it right out of the box. Aside all of the jargon and marketing features, the camera is amazing and excellent for videos and photos. The colors are vibrant and the photos are really sharp. I don't have a side-by-side comparison with the iPhone 12, but I would imagine there is quite a bit of a difference between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12. With the upgrades to the ultra-wide camera, the ultra-wide camera is better at performing at night and is a lot more sharp. That concludes my iPhone 13 unboxing and initial impressions video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Please comment, like and subscribe, because I put a lot of effort into these videos. Please tell me down below any videos you'd like to see about this iPhone or anything to do with tech, photography and productivity. I will be busy over the next month doing exams, but I'll try to find some time to make a couple more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!